In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways how we can make money with Freelancer. Now, Freelancer has been here for a long time. Freelancer got also really good competition that you can use as Upwork or Fiverr if you want to actually sell your services. This is the first way how we can make money with Freelancer. But there are actually another 2 ways, really good ways how we can make money. So let me just show you. The first way, as I mentioned, is just go and offer your services. I would combine with Freelancer, I would combine with Upwork, I would combine with Fiverr. Fiverr, I don't know how to read that. So, but what I would do is definitely analyze the competition, what they are actually doing, what kind of offers, what kind of services they are offering, if they are any good, and if there is actually demand for those services. I would create my account for Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer too. You can easily see how it works here and how to earn money freelancing, complete your profile, browse jobs that suits you, write your best bid, get a word, and earn. So this is something that you can do. So this is how the freelancer works, and the first way how we can actually make money. Now the second way, what you can do, and this is really tricky way, but it works, is to actually cross-sell services of other people, but with the higher price on another website. So what you could do is to create your own profile. Let's say copywriter or designer. Then I'm going to design a logo, and I don't know how to design logo. But what I can do is to choose someone much better or really good designer, and then say that, okay, I'm going to design a logo for you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to offer it 20-30% more on Freelancer comparing to the offer on Upwork. Or I can search find for the job and actually just recommend it. And you would be I don't know how to call agency even, that you are actually gonna ask, let's say $100 out of someone, but you are paying only $70 to the freelancer, and your $30 are yours. Oh, my video just finished right now. So that's what you can do. This is the second way and really effective way that you can combine with Upwork, with Fiverr, and Freelancer between each other. You need to really it will take me 1 week to figure it out everything and how we can make money out of it. You can focus on copywriting and then offer copywriting services. That's one of the good ways how we can make money. And that's what I would definitely do. You can simply click here, browse jobs. So retype a PDF into Word. And you're going to see right here, data scraping. And you're going to have plenty of ideas. And I'll be definitely using Freelancer too for my, for the work, right? So I want to hire and I want work. And I would sign up here. I want to hire, and then I would choose a project here, and that's what I would definitely do, recommend for you. And then you can bid here for bid now, and you would bid on a job that you would do it, and okay, I'm going to make it for this price. It's a lot of back and forth, and then I would recommend it on Upwork or Fiverr to someone to do the job, and you got it for the cheaper price. Really simple, easy as that. If you want to the quick money, how we can make money with Freelancer, this is the second way. The third way how we can actually make money is to create YouTube videos. It's about Freelancer and the affiliate of Freelancer. So what you could do is to simply go on YouTube, and I could come here and just go here. Let me just close this all. Freelancer for beginners. How to hire freelancer on Upwork, freelancer.com. And you would find right here Roberto Blake. So this is something that you can do, and this is something that works, that you could create and focus on affiliate over the Freelancer and also Upwork and Fiverr, that you could actually recommend the services of Freelancer to the others. Now you can do it with Upwork too, you can do it with Fiverr too. There are multiple ways how we can do it, and I would definitely recommend checking the way too how we can do it, and it will be really good way what you can do. So these are the 3 ways. The first way is actually recommend your own services. Let's say that you are a designer and you want to work with Freelancer and post your work there. You will like browse jobs here, you would find it, and you would be like, I want to work. You would create an account there, and you would offer your services here. Whitehead SEO expert, PDF styling to HTML email signature, WordPress website for tutorials, and you see right here, WordPress website for tutorials. This should have tutorial sections on the left hand side and a blog like feel. So that's something that you can do. And like plenty of people are like bidding versus each other. So that's the first way. The second way, what you can do is pretty straightforward and pretty easy, is to actually like cross-sell services between Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. So on a Freelancer that I would hire for the work, but I wouldn't do it myself. I would go and find someone on Fiverr, which would be much cheaper for the job, and then I would like 30-40 bucks, and then I could like immediately work with the person that I would recommend work for him, and he would do it. So you can do like, for after a while, you can employ someone from Fiverr or Upwork to do the job for you. So that's something you can definitely do, and it's a really good way what you can do. Or the third way is to actually, you can hire a freelancer. So what you can do is to come and create YouTube videos about freelancer.com. That's something you can do, and that's how something you can promote content, promote videos about freelancer affiliate. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some feedback and guidance. You know how it goes, you know how it is, you know how it works. So this is how Freelancer works. This is how also Upwork and Fiverr works. But definitely, if you want to sell your services, sell them also on Upwork. You definitely want to sell them also on Fiverr too. And if you want to learn how to work with YouTube and you want to create YouTube videos for the Freelancer affiliate, Upwork affiliate, Fiverr affiliate, there is a link down below in the description that you can learn, and I'm going to teach you everything, right? If you want to learn how you can make money on YouTube, I can teach you that. Now, thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, provide you some guidance, support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.